Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I review Barbie dolls every Monday, and today I have to show you this Golden Dream Barbie from 1980. She's number 1874. She was new in the box. I think she was probably opened before because there's some damage to her box on the back and some wear on the front. But I checked and all the pieces look to be here. The packages were sealed. So let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful Golden Dream Barbie. She's attached to the cardboard backing, which is this brown cardboard here. And she's got the most beautiful hair. It's a two-tone golden and light blonde hair. Looks like there's some coppery or maybe just a very shiny gold strands in there, and I think that was for curling her hair. She's got the original plastic here at the top. It actually went all the way around to the front of her face. I cut it back so that you could see her pretty face. Then she's got the crystal jewelry or the rhinestone jewelry. That's her necklace. Here's a close-up of her earrings. They're clear crystals. And then she's got a ring right there. Pretty jewelry. I love the superstar jewelry with the crystals in it, or I mean, I call them crystals, but they're just rhinestones. She's got these gold sleeves, or I think they're called gloves on the instructions, but they don't have any actual thing for the hands. They just are on the arm. This is her bodysuit here with gold tie back. And then she's got gold pants that match her bodysuit. And this sheer white gold striped overskirt that wraps around her waist. She's a very beautiful doll. She's one of the prettiest. Actually, let me bring her forward so you can see her face better. I think she's one of the prettiest superstar Barbies. Look at her pretty eyes. Her eyelashes are long. Looks like she's got 5 on the top, no lashes on the bottom. Her eyeshadow is gold. Her iris is blue. She's got 2 white dots. Her lips are a peachy pink. She's got a beautiful smile. So that's the doll. I'm not going to remove her from this backing. So we're going to prop her up back here, and I'm going to bring the box forward to show you what that looks like. Or actually, I'm going to pan over here to the box. Okay, looks like it was from KB's Toy Stores. It's still got the original sticker up here. It listed originally for $12.99. It looks like it was marked down to $7.97. It says gold and gorgeous quick curl hair. So that must be the quick curl strands that I showed you previously that look kind of wiry, to where when you curl it with the attachments, it would be able to hold the curl. Down here at the bottom, it says Golden Dream Barbie. She's got the $1 billion look. 9 glamorous play pieces. And there's the number and the Mattel logo. You turn it around to this side. Look at that cool pose. The graphics of these superstar dolls, I think, were gorgeous. I love how they've got her looking in this picture with her bodysuit and just her gold pants on. And then she's got clear ankle strap shoes, which I'll show you in a moment. Then you scroll up here to the top. Create many looks with her glittery 5-piece costume. Let me try to get the shine off that so you can see her pretty face there. She's got a hat in this graphic and her bodysuit, and she's barefoot. And here's the back of the box. This is where I said there was some damage, so these flaps or insert things that would go into this top of the box are missing. It says the doll who glitters like gold from head to toe. She's got shiny hair, dazzling jewelry. Look at that graphic. She's beautiful. Look at her hair. Glittery cape / hat. Glimmery gloves, fingerless. Gorgeous bodysuit. Fabulous skirt. Glamour pants. Shiny shoes. And then she's got glamorous, shiny accessories for lots of hairstyles. These were the accessories that were included. I'll show you those in a moment. And then this side of the box shows all her possible hairstyles, at least the combinations that Mattel could come up with. We'll start up here with the top. Look at that pretty swept back style. And here's an updo. Then a very curly style with long ends curled up. There's a swept back style with a barrette. And then it shows how you use the curling, see what they call it. It's just a curler to curl her hair. Then I'm going to show you, I'm going to tip this back so it doesn't fall forward. I'm going to show you some of the accessories that came with it. This was the fan club option where the owner could subscribe to the fan club, paying $5 for the annual membership fee. The application form was void after 3/1/84. The members would receive an official membership kit, including neat items. One is an official membership card, an autographed picture of Barbie, a sun visor, a Barbie poster to color, a newsletter 4 times a year, fan club iron-on patch, $5 worth of rebate coupons, and a welcome letter from Barbie. How cool. I would have loved to have that as a little girl. This paper's printed in the Philippines. This is the booklet that comes with this doll. World of Fashion, dated 1981. Let me show her to you in here. Here's the Kins. Here's the Barbies from that year. I've shown some of these before in other videos. I've got lots of Barbie videos that you can check out in my playlist, Barbie playlist. Then this is the instruction booklet. Golden Dream Barbie. It's a little wrinkled from being in the box, but there is a picture of her. And then here's a list of the contents: 2 hair combs, 2 barrettes, 2 rubber bands, a comb, brush, a curler, hair arranger, tie-on wrap. They also called it a hat in one of these. She looks so pretty there. Points out her jewelry and her clothing and shoes. Open this up. Before playing with the doll, remove plastic hair protector. That's what I showed you that she has around her hair. It has not been removed. And foam disc from head of doll. Now, the foam disc is not attached to this doll, but she does look like she has not ever been removed. So it's possible that she was removed from the plastic or someone took that foam disc off the back, but I'll show you that in a minute. It was in plastic that was sealed with tape, old tape, so I'm not sure about whether that came on the doll or in the box. This is how you assemble the curler. This is how the hair curls. You can curl the hair without the arranger. Instructions on how to do that. Then here's instructions on some hairstyles that you can do for your Barbie doll. Here's another one using the hair arranger where you could arrange the hair around the piece and make it look very full and fluffy. Not sure how easily that would work, especially for a child, but those are the instructions. Then let me show you the actual pieces themselves, the accessories. I'm going to open this up. I already cut the tape open. This is the foam hair arranger that it talked about, just a round piece of foam. Then we've got the hat slash, what else did they call this? Hat and tie-on wrap. So this is an option that you could put in her hair, or a shorter waist scarf or short skirt. You could wrap around her waist. And then this is the hair arranger. Here, it says Mattel Inc, 1980, Philippines, and there's the number. Includes the rubber bands that go to the hair curler. And then let me show you her. They're not totally clear shoes. They've got a bit of a gold tint to them. And then there's another bag here. It's got the rest of her accessories in it. This is still sealed here. Here's her barrettes and her hair combs. Still attached to the plastic. I love her pretty comb and brush, how they're shiny, gold accenting on each piece, just on one side. Then here's the brush. And then here's the hair curler. It goes together here somehow. I didn't try to figure this out ahead of time, but looks like it attaches here. You would put the rubber band around it to hold it tight, and then it could work like a curling iron. Cool stuff. I love the way Mattel made Barbies back in the 80s. They had all these cool little gadgets and things or gimmicks for the dolls, and there was just so much for the child to do when they got their Barbie doll out of the box. Very cool stuff. I love Barbie. I hope you love her too. I hope you love my video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you next time with more cool stuff.